Hello guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the reasons that your comfort zone space heater is not working and give you some quick solutions to the problem. So let's get started. Let's start with the reasons. Power supply problem. When you plug in the heater's electric cable incorrectly into the power outlet, there will be no power supply to the heater, making it not turn on. Also, when the power supply is insufficient, it may not provide the required electricity to power the comfort zone space heater. Hence, the heater will not turn on. Dirty air filters. Comfort zone space heaters have replaceable air filters that act as a shield to the heater coil. If you don't clean them regularly, the air filters can become dusty or clogged by particles or moisture. This can lead to restricted airflow, causing the heater to overheat, therefore stopping the heater operation. Internal control issues. Your comfort zone space heater may stop turning on as expected if there's an issue with its internal parts. For instance, if the on and off switch fails to function, the heater will not turn on. Also, if the thermostat switch malfunctions, it will lead to setting too high or too low temperatures, which alters the normal functioning of the heater, causing a malfunction. Damaged remote batteries. If you use expired or damaged comfort zone space heater remote batteries, they won't work. And since the heater is turned on by the remote, this will not be possible. Improper functions of the heater. Because of using faulty power cables, loosening electric cords in the outlet, or a damaged heater switch, the comfort zone heater will stop working. And a non-functional heater cannot turn on. What to do when your comfort zone space heater stops working? Number 1. Check if the heater batteries are damaged or out of date. If they are, replace them immediately. 2. Clean the heater air filters regularly, either using a soft cloth or a brush. 3. Unplug the power cable, check for any faults, then plug it in again tightly to the power outlet. Also ensure good condition for the outlet switch. 4. Select the required thermostat temperature. Let it not be too high or too low to maintain the heater's required temperature. 5. Make sure your comfort zone space heater functions perfectly. Do this by replacing all the damaged power cables and heater switches. 6. To ensure the proper functioning of the on and off switch, seek assistance from an expert to check it. Thanks for watching.